The ICCs, or Infrastructure Conditions of Contract, are a suite of standard contracts for use for infrastructure projects and can be used both domestically and overseas. They were launched in 2011 and began to be revised in 2014 when the first one was published, which was the with quantities version. The ICCs have evolved in a number of ways. The first thing to say, I think, is that they have reduced in size. Whereas previously they had 66 clauses, they've now got about 23 plus supplementary clauses. They have evolved also to recognise best practice and the government construction strategy, both of which are absolutely essential in today's contracting arena. The key to the contracts is that they balance or apportion risk to the party best able to manage it. And to this end, it's useful for both parties to see where those risks and responsibilities lie. The contract, therefore, sets out very clearly in one clause the contractor's responsibilities, the client's responsibilities, and shared responsibilities, and the obligations that go with that. Another key matter, which is included in the ICCs, is that the parties should collaborate to deliver a successful project and to give early warning of anything that might arise which could detract from the delivery of a successful project. There are many other areas which would be familiar to users of earlier editions, but the key thing is that the contract has been drafted in much clearer and simpler language, making it easier to administer and to understand. Other key areas which are featuring now in the contract is particularly the use of BIM, where the provision for accommodating a BIM protocol is offered but not required. Similarly, it covers different methods of payment. It also ensures that the contract complies with the Construction Act provisions on both payment and adjudication. The ICC with quantities version was always designed to evolve to other versions of ICC, and most recently 2 new versions have been produced. These 2 versions are the target cost contract and the design and construct contract. They have the advantage of containing the core elements of the original with quantities version, but in addition, they accommodate the particular contract strategy that is to be used in both target cost and design and construct. Network Rail have taken these contracts on board at a time when they are commencing their procurement period, CP6. There is something in the region of £47 billion worth of work in that controlled period of 5 years, and the target cost and design and construct contracts will be used to deliver both renewals, projects and enhancements. This is a great opportunity for other clients to consider using the ICC conditions and for engineers to consider recommending their use to clients for appropriate work. If you want to find out more about these conditions of contract, you are welcome to contact ACE, who will be pleased to discuss in more depth the content and use.